San Diego y estamos en la parte entre el pasillo 1700 y el 100. O sea, hay un chingo de pasillos aquí. Este está caro, fíjense, tiene un costo de $8,000, pero es todo, o sea, realmente todo. Bueno, ¿te vas a callar o no? Gracias. Perdón, es que Artu anda muy terco. Hola Artu, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Estamos aquí pues visitando el booth donde estás. No te pongas así, Artu. Estamos viendo que cuesta $7,400. No puedo comprarte, Artu. Por más que quieras, no puedo comprarte. No entiendes, estás muy caro y estás gordo. Tienes que bajar de peso. Con mi mamá no te metas, Artu. Yo no me llevo así contigo. Bueno, manda saludos a toda la gente que nos ve a través del canal de YouTube de Franco Escamilla. Ah, ándale, si me hablas bien, así. Eso no me gustó. Ah, mira, ya prendió el foquito. Bueno, el Artu les manda muchos saludos. Es una réplica. Ya me voy, chingada madre. Bueno, pues vamos. Te voy a tomar una foto. Bueno, está bien, voy a tomar una foto contigo, Artu. Este tiene un costo de reader de $8,900. $8,900. Este todavía no tiene precio. El Boba Fett. Este tiene un precio de $2,500 aproximadamente. Están medio caros. Vean este busto, así que lo puedes poner, cuesta $999. Nos encontramos ahora sí en la parte de distinto. Yo creo que a Franco no le va a agradar esto, pero bueno.
Let's talk about your re-team with your Suicide Squad homie Will Smith. Yeah, tell us about your character.
I play the Detective Ward, you know, and it was like such a beautiful thing to be able to get back with Dave, and especially in this opportunity. It is such a bizarre world. I mean, I'm sure you can tell a little bit from the trailer, but it's this crazy, training day, like that kind of vibe, but then smashed with Lord of the Rings. It's this really spectacular world, and at the center of the story is, my character worked with Joel's character, and Joel plays an orc, and his character is the first orc on the LAPD. So it just felt really great, to be an African-American police officer that just found, somebody else to be racist against. I don't know what I'm doing.
She just asked me for it.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Netflix Films, Dexter and Bright, and all the creative teams and talent here who came in to spend the day here with you in Hall H. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time we ask that you please.
Are we gonna get a new album, Will?
Huh?
Yeah, a new album ever?
I've been sniffing around it.
Are you and Jeff gonna do a reunion tour?
Yeah, we got a couple of shows at the end of the month.
Are you serious?
We're performing in Croatia and in London. No, that's real. That's true.
And Sydney.
Sorry.
And Sydney.
Sydney. Yeah, we'll add Sydney.
Sydney.
Deadpool's taking photos. Deadpool. Yeah. All right, man.
Hey, Will. Thank you.
Love you, Will. Be good, baby. Be good. Be good. Thank you, man. Thank you, man.
Will be surprises. Ladies and gentlemen, John Bernthal. John, you've been one of the unexpected things that came out of the Defenders was when we were making Daredevil, the folks at Netflix said, you know, that guy that plays the Punisher, he probably has his own series. And so we agreed. John, you've been shooting. How do you feel about the film?
Look, I'm, you know, Frank's very much in my heart, and I'm eternally grateful to get another crack at him.
Netflix would very much appreciate if now you took as many pictures as you'd like and you hashtag them, #defend. So,
it was too late, they were stuck with me because I was already a huge fan of Daredevil and Jessica Jones and all the actors who play in those shows, as well as by then I was already a huge fan of Marco's and Jeff's and the writing and frankly the character of New York City. I'm a New Yorker and I love that New York City is indeed one of the 5 Defenders. And they also offered me a part I really couldn't refuse. It's a very interesting woman, and a woman who has a lot of dealings with this lovely young lady, and their relationship is certainly one of the most unusual and interesting relationships I've ever had on screen or off. So it was just a joy to work here and work with you guys, and I really appreciate it.
She goes on a journey with these guys because she knows that she's valuable, because she's super strong. But she takes every opportunity to make fun of everything you're doing, and make fun of Daredevil's suit, and make fun of all of it. So I think JJ in The Defenders brings a little bit of attitude and sass and the funny.
You know this day was coming? Did you ever suspect that you were going to work with all these people? Obviously none of these people existed when you started.
Yeah, I mean, theoretically I did. I do remember signing a contract. And there being some vague section that mentioned a show called The Defenders, and I was, yeah, sure, we'll get to that. And then it just kind of happened so quickly. So it's kind of, it's so, as you guys probably know, each year with Daredevil and the other shows, we've been to New York Comic Con. So it's kind of a wonderful celebration that we get to come here to Hall H. I've heard so much about it. I've never been to San Diego, and this is our celebration.
Oh, you just understand here? No, slide down.
Slide down.
Slide down.
Oh, okay.
All right, thank you. Recorder, guys. Don't count. That's weird. Can't get in here.
Luke Cage! Luke Cage likes coffee!
Not with you, buddy. All right, we good?
Thank you, guys.
Thank you all. Thanks a lot, guys. Thank you.
specific, even though it's confusing. And I just think that anything that is paid attention to the extreme that this show is worthy of attention, and people get that, and they dig it, and it's kind of, you know, in a way it's like Game of Thrones. I mean, you watch Game of Thrones, I don't know everything that's going on in that thing, but I enjoy watching it. You know what I mean? And there are a lot of storylines going on, and some people really get into trying to figure it all out, and other people just sit and enjoy watching it, you know, show by show. So to answer your question, I guess I probably haven't, but that's the best I can do.
Can we absorb two things for a second?
Yeah.
One, Ed Harris is at Comic-Con.
Yeah!
And two, Ed Harris is a Game of Thrones fan.
A fan of tequila as well.
Tandy was Maeve's decision to get off the train and go back for her daughter, her first conscious choice.
Is she going back for her daughter?
Well, she better be. That's what we wrote.
I mean, oh God, I don't know.
Love you, Jeffrey.
Nice.
Oh, thank you, man. Thank you so much. I'm just leaking. I want to take a picture.
Ben, we're on the train to Westworld.
Okay, here we go.
Excellent. Welcome, everyone.
Thank you.
It's fine if they don't. I think Alfie went to.
Great.
Sorry, a couple ran off.
That's all right. Thank you, guys.
All right, thanks everyone. You got it?
Thank you. Bye, guys. Thank you. Sophie, we'll see you later. Thank you.
Estoy algo cansado, es que estaba recorriendo y es que en la parte de atrás tenemos una fila. Esa fila es para El Salón H. El Salón H, ¿qué es lo que tiene de grandioso? Que todo el mundo habla de él. Y si nunca has venido a la Comic Con de San Diego, yo te voy a platicar un poco qué es el Salón H. ¿Dónde están los paneles más importantes de este evento? Paneles donde están Marvel, o DC, Warner, Sony, Fox, exactamente todas esas compañías que presentan lo más nuevo en series de televisión o Netflix, como en su caso, que esta vez se presentó en el Salón H, o también como podría ser Warner con la Liga de la Justicia, que más adelante les diremos cómo estuvo ese panel. Bueno, toda esa gente se forma para quedarse a dormir aquí afuera del Convention Center. O sea, literalmente traen casas de campaña, traen camas, sillas, y pasan toda la noche hasta el otro día, porque el Salón H tiene un límite, entonces todo el mundo quiere entrar. Yo nunca he entendido esa obsesión. Digo, sí está increíble ver tus actores favoritos, verlos, pero pasar todo un día haciendo una fila para poder entrar solamente y te pierdes lo que es la convención. Ahora, hay muchos que vienen en grupos y uno se distribuyen de que yo voy a comprar estas figuras, yo voy a comprar estos cómics, pero te pierdes mucho de la magia de lo que es este evento. A mi alrededor hay muchas cosas que puedes ver o también puedes interactuar. Para aquellos que no tuvieron, digamos, su pase de entrada para la convención de cómics, pues aquí hay algo de Fox, hay algo de Strange, hay también de Legion. Aquí adentro hay otras áreas de comida. Hay muchas cosas diferentes para todos aquellos que no alcanzaron un boleto, porque siempre los boletos de la Comic Con se acaban así en cuestión de minutos. Pero bueno, ahorita ya es tarde aquí en el primer día de la convención aquí en San Diego y pues ya nos retiramos, pero solamente queríamos mostrarles toda la fila, toda la gente que está allá, todos están pasando y la diversión no se acaba hasta las 12 de la noche porque todavía hay como que paneles. Vamos a ver si podemos ir a algunos de los pequeños paneles, hay talleres también, hay de todo, de todo. Así que continúe aquí en el canal de YouTube de Franco Escamilla.